Penetrating damp problems are caused by moisture getting through the exterior of your property. Defects to your roof coverings, external wall pointing or render, gutters and downpipes can allow penetrating damp to affect the inside of your property. If you notice areas of damage to internal decoration or a musty smell, this could mean that you have a penetrating damp problem. One of our experienced property surveyors can carry out a property survey and identify the cause as well as the scale of the problem. Once the inspection is carried out, you will receive a detailed survey report displaying all findings and estimated costs to repair the damage. Richardson Starling have been dealing with damp issues since 1935 and provide an award-winning service supported with a 5-year guarantee that you can trust. Get in touch with your local branch for advice or a property survey today.